video on how to replace these license plate lights on your 2013 Volkswagen Passat. Both of these fell down. He glued one, and the other one is just falling down right now. Sometimes it comes down when you close the trunk. So if you look at this, this is how it's held in. So something over here biodegrades. So to release it, you're going to push this little thing in and pull. It comes right out. Then you have your little broken thing. This one he glued in, so let's see. Looks the same. Just push that little tab in, pull it out. So these are the ones I got right here. Let me show you. Just looks like a normal light. I still don't know why it has two sets of plugs, but the one plug plugs right into it. So you're going to take the wire and you're going to push it into the thing, just like that. We're going to do it on both. We're not going to put them in yet. We're going to test them. Both of these are hooked in now. We're just going to turn them on and see if they work before I stick them in there and can't get that thing back out somehow. Looks like it would be a pain. It does look like they're going to work. So we're just going to stick them in there. I don't know what all these extra wires are, but we probably don't need them. It looks like they're pretty easy to install. I don't think there's any right or wrong way to do it. You just put them in there and it clicks right in. And that's done. This is the part number of this LED light that I put in here.